What's going on, guys? As you can see, stuck on the side of the road, on the side of the highway. I was cruise controlling and I hear banging. The truck just shut off. Once it came to a stop, and checked the engine, I saw that the compressor was blown out. Piston was blown out, the compressor. So right now I'm trying to replace this compressor. I checked the dealership. They have one for sale for like 7 and change. It's gonna have a core charge of 6 and change. Basically all you're gonna be doing is removing all these lines and brackets and replace it. But I'm gonna keep y'all in tune. I'm gonna let y'all know what all I did to replace the compressor. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.